Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ and you're now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today guys, I'm going to react on, I think the continuation of Horizon's guesting on Push Bets. I was done with the revelation, Horizon reveals there never been told confessions at Push and who is this member challenge. So I'm going to watch their category game. Horizon plays the category game Push Bets live. I think that it's gonna be interesting and enjoyable. Let's go guys. Category game by Horizon.
Okay, so eto na nga ang ating fun challenge for Horizon. So, nandito may hawak akong mga lemon slices.
Oh.
So, ang ating game lang ay, tatawagin natin itong category game.
Oh.
So, may babanggitin yun ako mga categories and then, sasagot lang kayo ng mga related sa categories na yun.
Ooh.
At dapat, within 3 seconds, masagot nyo na. We have a timer! Ang twist pa nito, syempre kapag kayo ay nag-sip dito sa ating lemon, dapat let's try your best to keep our poker faces on.
Oh.
Poker face on. Let's go! Okay, so
Parang yung sa D's room na bawal mag-flinch. Ganun.
mauna natin ay si Kim.
Ano ang gulay na hindi color green?
Oh.
Talong.
Oh. Naka-timer. Naka-ano siya? 3 seconds.
Pinatatagal niya para makapag-isip siya.
Oh my.
Ayan na.
Oh my.
Wow.
Woo!
Gumiti, oh.
Ako yung ano eh.
Inubos pa niya.
Oh, di ba?
Yung orange ang lemon. Go, Kyler!
Excellent. Kalabasa. Magkaiba naman yun eh.
Kalabasa pumpkin.
Magkaiba yun. 2, 1.
Feeling ko, okay lang eh.
Okay.
Kasi pumpkin squash, but different. Okay, Kuya Vinci.
Wow.
Kamatis.
Anong sibuyas? Gulay ba yun? I mean, yeah, gulay, but sibuyas is green.
Kamatis, fruit.
May
Oo,
debate
fruit
doon eh.
yun.
Fruit yung kamates. Yeah, that's true. O bakit hindi na ano si Vinci? Sabi niya sibuyas Pero sibuyas, di ba? Green yun.
Ito yung malaki, ito yung malaki.
Wow! Wala ding effort.
O, di ba? Eh, balik natin. Parang sa gilid, sabi niya.
Activity na gagawin nyo pag sleep over. Go! 1, 2,
Maliligo.
Pillow fight.
Maglaro ng cellphone.
Drive.
Sleepover!
3, 2, 1.
road trip pala yung nasa isip.
Gusto niya talaga lang ng lemon eh, yun lang yun.
Ay, oo.
Ay, oo, di ba? Si Jeremy,
Movies.
Oo.
Board games.
Mga sahog sa sinigang.
Ito.
Kahit hawak na ni Marcos, magsimula ka na.
Sibuyas.
Aso na.
Laso na? 3.
Anong lasuna?
Lemon.
Oo.
Siligaw bigla.
Winston.
Namula.
First off, ano pala yung lasuna?
Namula.
Kangkong. Sinigang mix. Lu!
No! Because that's actually parang nag-endorse. Si Jeremy parang,
Ay,
Wala.
3.
Yung
tubig.
3.
Stations sa MRT 3.
oh! Bakit sabi nila, kay Rester?
Okay, kakain na daw siya.
Wala po.
Hindi na alam. Bakit kaya? Di siya taga Manila.
Okay.
Hindi ko po alam.
Ano ba eh?
5 minutes ba yun mag-react?
Okay.
Magallanes.
Kubaw.
Lumin trip.
Ako hindi ko rin alam. Pero nakasakay na ako niyan the first time, when I went to Manila. So, yeah.
MRT na.
Oh, mali na.
Ooh, grabing serious talaga ni Kyler, no?
Mas lalong pumapogi kapag kumakain ng lemon.
Ayala, station.
Okay.
Vegas.
Wow! Parang solid. Solid lang, no? Ortegas.
Ortega.
Last question, magsisimula tayo
Oo nga, no? Ortigas. Hindi Ortagas.
kay Vinci.
Ginagawa ng isang singer bago kumanta.
Vocal warm up.
Okay.
Mainit ng tubig.
Parang mas tawag dyan, mas pabor or mas advantage yung una kasi siya yung unang nakakaisip. Yung pangalawa kasi parang wala, nalilimit na yung answers.
Kumuha ng microphone.
3. Brush.
Wala na.
Deserve.
Deserve. Oh, di ba? Ang gwapo talaga, no?
Pinapractice niya yung kanta niya.
Mag-pray siya.
Thank
Oh,
you so
pwede
much,
din.
Horizon.
Oh.
Thank you. So, saan pa ba
Okay.
kayo dapat abangan
That's all. Nakakabitin naman.
ng ating mga pushmates?
Well, we're going to be promoting our album Friendship, our first album here in the Philippines. So please watch out our socials. We will be updating you guys very, very much. So please just keep updated.
Thank you.
Oh.
That's it, Pushmates! We hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay tuned for more celebrity updates. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our
Okay, so that's Horizon plays the category game Push Bets live at Push. Nakakatawa. I mean, I enjoy the game like it's beaten, you know. I hope that it's longer. But yeah, you know, hindi talaga sila nag-flinch man lang. That's it, guys. Ang galing. That was amazing. And anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this episode. I'm gonna watch other Horizon related videos in the next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye.